Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some good old fried chicken. So what we're going to start doing is by making the buttermilk. I see so many videos all the time on use buttermilk, but in England finding buttermilk is like trying to find gold. So what I'm going to try and do is make my own buttermilk. So what I'm doing right now is adding the milk into a bowl, and then I'm going to cut up the lemon, and I'm going to use the lemon to put into the bowl. So as you can see, I'm just squeezing in the lemon into the bowl, making sure I'm adding a little bit. And because it was my first time making buttermilk, to be honest, I didn't really know how much to add, and I don't measure nothing. So I just kept squeezing it until there was none left. No more to squeeze, as you can tell. Lord have mercy. But cool, so I'm squeezing it, and what I'm gonna do is also add a bit of the other one. You don't have to do that, especially if you're not a big fan of lemon, but in my opinion it doesn't taste anything like lemon. Not that I tried it, but yeah. So you just want to kind of like put a little bit more, make sure you're turning it, squeezing it, and then you just want to put that aside to rest for like 30 minutes max, minimum. Now we're moving on to our flour mix for the fried chicken. So what I'm doing is I'm literally putting flour into a bowl. I'm not really measuring how much flour is in that bowl because that doesn't really matter, if I'm honest with you. Just throw in a bit of flour, and I'm adding some Cajun seasoning. I'm adding some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, smoked paprika. I don't know why I'm shaking. Oh my gosh! So just add your paprika. Don't be like me. Okay, your mixed herbs and some salt. This is some pink salt because my mom is doing a healthy. I don't even know, but it's salt, guys. It's salt. Yeah, I don't know why I'm Listen, just add your salt, and you just want to mix that all in together. Mix it, fam. Mix it. That's it, bro. And then what you wanna do is not leave it there for 20 bloody minutes. So then you want to get your chicken that's been cut up already, and it's been washed, and I've washed my chicken with salt and vinegar and lemon. You can just do it however you want to do it, and I'm basically just adding the same seasonings that I used before. Now, please make sure that you're cutting off the skin, because one thing I didn't do was cut off the skin. I just think, but that's a preference again. For me, I just prefer when the skin is cut off, because when I'm trimming my fried chicken, I don't want to have the skin on there, like it's just weird. But right now I'm just adding the same seasoning, and to be fair, you can do everything in the same bowl. You can wash one bowl and do everything in the same bowl. No one has time to do the dishes. Listen, like I said, life is already hard. Cooking don't need to be. Alright. So I'm just adding all the same seasoning there, and then when you're done doing that, you just want to mix it. And I'm also adding a little bit of olive oil. Normally I do that at the start, but I completely forgot how to do that. I don't know why I'm stuttering so much, but ignore my voice today. Just keep mixing your chicken batter, like just mix it. And also, you can cook any portions that you want. I'm literally doing this because I knew I was the only person eating, and yes, I'm gonna be eating 5 pieces of chicken. Sue me. Anyways, you just want to keep mixing it till it's all good, until, to be honest, you're quite happy that it's covering the whole thing. Because a lot of the times when we're making fried chicken, the only thing that's seasoned is the batter, which just makes the chicken dry. But now we don't do that over here. And if you want to make your chicken even juicier, you want to cut little slices onto your chicken. That way that the seasoning gets in and it's just moistured in there, and it just makes it much better. So whilst we're doing that, we're going to fry our oil. I forgot to completely fry my oil at the start, so my oil right now is on the highest heat, just so that it can heat up quickly. But please, when you're cooking your chicken, go back to medium heat, something I didn't do. And what you want to do is you want to get your buttermilk mixture and your flour. I'm putting a bit of the buttermilk mixture into the flour just to make pockets of like crispy chicken within the flour, and that I just think that just makes it even more crispier. So I'm literally just adding a little bit of pockets of buttermilk, and I'm just mixing that in, and look, oh, it's gonna be crispy. Woo. And the first thing you want to do is you just want to get your chicken. Look at my veins, come on, yay. You want to get your chicken, put it in the buttermilk, and you want to put it in the flour. and I'm gonna do that twice because I want it to be crispy. If you don't like too much of crispiness, you can just do that once, but I'm doing it twice. So I'm dipping it back into the buttermilk and putting it back in the flour. And like I said, you want to make sure that it's seasoned, because listen, you don't want to be making chicken for your friends and they're cussing you out in the group chat. We don't want that. I don't want that. You don't want that. So let's keep it stepping. And also at the same time, listen, please put it on medium heat. I did not do that. I did not do that. I did not do that. Lord forgive me. Put it back on medium heat. I completely forgot that my fire was on high heat. And at the same time, don't come for my messy kitchen, because you know what? Having a messy kitchen means the food is going to be good. Because them people that got the clean kitchen, their chicken tastes like fried water. That's right. So you just want to put that in, do you see? Look at that. You just want to keep doing that with all pieces of your chicken. I'm starting with my chicken breast first because it takes the longest to cook, and then I'm finishing with my legs. So I'm literally doing all my chicken breast first, or thighs or breast, same thing really. You just want to keep doing that and keep doing that, yeah. And if you end up running out of flour, you literally just do the same thing that we did earlier. Literally same thing. Yes, it's messy, but listen, that means the food's gonna be good. The food's gonna be good, and I'm not here to teach you how to have clean kitchens. I'm here to teach you how to cook. Oh my gosh, forgive me. But at the same time though, while the chicken is cooking, that's the time you can use to do the dishes, to wash your surroundings, etc. But yeah, so I've just put down all the fires, so they're just cooking. And please, like I said, put it on medium heat. Do not have it on high heat. Don't be like me. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. So the chicken is just gonna cook, and you just want to wait. It's still not cooked here, but yeah. But another thing is that when it's on high heat, what will happen is that the outer will cook quick, so your skin will end up burning and inside will not be cooked at all. That's why you need to have it on low medium heat, because what you'll just end up doing is you'll have to put it in the oven after, which no one has time for. No one has time for. We just keep doing it and just keep waiting, and then when it's done, because look at that one on the bottom left, that's that high heat. That's what happens when you got high heat, fam. But you just want to take out your chicken. Be careful, because the oil is hot and you don't want to burn yourself. I'm ashamed to say that I did end up burning myself, but it's fine. It's called war. It's called war scratches. War cuts. War. Okay, yeah. Ignore me. So you want to keep doing that, and you just want to keep putting that chicken in. And also, if you want to take out the bits that are in there to just make it easier for the next batch of chicken, you can do that. If you don't care, that's fine as well. That's absolutely fine. And I'm putting it on a tissue just so that the oil can drain out of it. And what I'm doing is I'm just doing the same thing with my legs. Same process guys. Same process with my legs, making sure that it's soaked in there. And look at the seasoning in the buttermilk. Woo! We don't deserve. Okay, so you just want to keep repeating that process for as long as you got the chicken. And this is a good recipe to have with anything, really. I didn't make anything on the side of it because I couldn't be bothered, if I'm honest. But you can really make this with anything. Salad, pasta, fries. And bam, that's what you have in the end. Look at that chicken. Guys, don't try and tell me I am not the best. I'm plugging you. And like I said, you can have this with anything. I've literally just decided to eat this for tonight, but obviously I'm sharing it. No, I'm not. And don't forget to watch our other videos on our YouTube channel. And if you want something to listen to, I have a podcast that runs every Tuesday and Thursday on Spotify, Apple Music and Anchor. Thank you.